You ain't do no blow, did you? You good? Yeah, but bro, you good? You good? Bro! Zay, you busted? What pill somebody gave? You good? You ain't been taking no pills, have you? Are you tweaking? Wake up, shorty, good? Where you going? Bro, why you tweaking on me, boy? Fall back, bro. Why you good? Bro, is you good? You acting different. You good? You act like you want some drugs. Girl, you... Wake up. Wake up, lady. Come on, wake up. You can hit my brand new desktop. Hey, if you finna be tweaking, man, go to bed. Go to bed. Get up. I'm tweaking, man. Stay still. Stay still. Dang, what type of drugs you been taking? You took a blow? Who gave you some drugs? Hello? You good? I am scared. What are you doing? What's wrong? ZZ! Come here. Your mama tweaking. Hurry up, ZZ, because she don't know what's to her. Look. This is why I say don't do drugs. Stop! See what's wrong with her? Look, your baby right here. Get away from her with that. Get away from me. You tripping, bro. What's to you? Bro, what's to her? No.